Now we go to the next item. Division. Now we are going to the division one. Under the section D, divide and check your answer by multiplication. Show the division, and after the division, check your answer by multiplication. So, in this division, we have to show the division. See here, 4, 0, 1, 2, 0 divided by 30. Divided by 30. 40,120 is to be divided by what number? 30. 40,120, this is for dividend. Already I told you. It is to be divided by what number? 32. That is called divisor. Okay. In doing this division work, what we get in the right side bracket, that is called quotient. And last we get some remainder. If it is exactly divided by 32, then we get 0 remainder. If it is not exactly divisible by 32, then some remainder we get. We get some remainder. Mind this point. If the number is exactly divisible by 32, then what is the remainder we get? 0 remainder. Suppose if it is not exactly divisible by 32, then we get some remainder. We get remainder. Okay. So here, now start doing the division with 32. See, 32 also are 32. 32 twos are how much? 64. 32 threes are 96. And 32 fours are 4 twos are 8, 4 threes are 12. Like this, we continue here in reading the table. We write that. Now, first of all, see in 40. 40 is greater than 30. 40 is greater than 30. So, in 40, 32, how many times it will go? In 40. 32, how many times? 32 ones are 32, 32 ones are 64. 64 is the bigger number. 64 is the bigger number than 32. 32 is the smaller number. That's why here, one time only, 2 times, there is no chance to take 2 times. Only one time only way. How many times? One time only. So 32 ones are 32. Subtract. 40 minus 32. How much? 40 minus 32, 8. 40 minus 32, 8. Now, come to the next step. From the dividend, we bring down one number. From the dividend, this is the dividend I told you. From the dividend, we bring down one number. That means 1 is to be bring down. 1 is to be bring down. Now, 81. In 81, how many times 32 will go? In 81. How many times? 2 times we say. 3 times, no chance. Why? Because if we take 3 times, means 32 3s are 96 meters. But 96 is big number than 81. That's why. Children, how many times we take? 2 times. 32 2s are 64. 2 times, right? 64. Subtract. Here 1 minus 4. Not possible, that's why take borrow. So 1 becomes 11. 1 becomes 11 minus 4, how much? 11 minus 4, 7. Here 8 gave borrow, no? That's why here 7 only. 7 minus 6, what? 81 minus 64. 81 minus 64 is equal to 17. 81 minus 64 gives 17. Now, from the dividend, what we bring down? 2. Bring down 2. Bring down 2. Now you see how many times 32 can divide 172. In 172, 32, how many times? So you continue here. If you continue this table here, 32, 5, 160. 32, 6, 192. Okay, now you see, if you take 5 times 160, if you take 6 times 192, 192 is the big number than 172. So, can we take 6 times? No. How many times we take? Only 5 times only. 32 5s are 160. So, here 5 times only we take. 32 5s. 32 5. 32 5s are how much? 32 5s are 160. So, we write 160. Subtract. So here 2 minus 0, 2, 7 minus 6, 1, 12. Now here, from the dividend, we can get one more, that is last one, 0 is there. That we bring down from the dividend. That means 0 is to be bring down. Now 120. In 120, how many times 32 can divide? How many times? In 120. Here 32 3s are how much? 96. 32 4s are how much? 128. This is big number than 120. 128 is bigger than 120. 128 is bigger than 120. But 96 is less than 1. So how many times you can take here? 3 times or 4 times? 3 times only you take. If you take 4 times, means more number you are getting than this. That's why you take 32 3s. 32 3s are 96. 32 3s are 30. Subtract. 0 minus 6, 4. Borrow we take 10 minus 6, 4. Here 2 gave borrow. 2 gave borrow. That's why here only 1 is there. 1 minus 9, not possible subtraction. Ask borrow from the before class. Then 1 becomes 11. Here 1 becomes 11. 11 minus 9 is 2. And here 0 you will get. Why? Because 1 gave borrow. That's why. 24 is the remainder. 24 is the remainder. In the dividend, all digits over, all the numbers were okay. Finish. So, to bring down, there are no digits in the dividend. 0 is also over here, already taken that 0. After 0, no numbers are over. That's why the detail is end. You can understand that the detail is end. So, this is called quotient. This is called the quotient. This is called remainder. This is called the remainder. Okay, children. If you want to check your division work, what should you do? multiply the divisor and quotient. Multiply the divisor and the quotient. And add remainder. Add a remainder. Then you will get the dividend. So here and check your answer by multiplication. Check. In the given question, check your answer by multiplication. So we go for checking also. So in checking this problem, we show the multiplication of divisor and quotient. Divisor into quotient. After multiplication of divisor and quotient, we add the remainder. Remainder we add. That means here, what is the quotient? Divisor what? What is the divisor? 32. What is the quotient here? 1253. We add remainder. What is the remainder? 24. Now multiply the two numbers. 32 into 1253. 32 into 1253 is same as 1253 into 32. Okay na? So multiply 1253 with 32. Okay, I show the multiplication here. 1253 into 32. See children here. 2 3s are 6, 2 5s are 10, 0, 1 is there, 2 2s are 4 plus 1 5, 2 1s are 2. Now multiply 3. 3 3s are 9, 3 5s are 15, 5 1 is there, 3 2s are 6 plus 1 7, 3 1s are 6, 9, 10, 0, 1, 7 plus 1, 8 plus 2, 7 plus 1, 8, 8 plus 2, 10, 0, 1, 3 plus 1, 4. 40096. So right here 40096. To this we have to add 24. Add 24 now. 6 plus 4 10 0 1. 2 plus 1 3 plus 9 12. 2 1. Here 1 right. Here 0. Here 4 0 1 2 0. We got it. 4 0 1 2 0. That's why your answer is correct. Like this, we check the division. These two numbers total is what? 4 0 1 2 0. So divisor into quotient plus remainder is equal to 4 0 1 2 0. That means 40,000. This is the dividend. That is the dividend. Okay, observe this division work. We showed the division and the division work is checked by you. Okay, children, understand. Now you come to say one more question, sixth question. Division with 45. Division with 45. With large numbers, we are showing the division. You know, you are perfected in tables up to a limited number. But here, we are doing the division with 45. That means, with large numbers, we are showing the division value. That is 24,832. Divided with 45. 45. In the two numbers or for three numbers, we say how many numbers we take? Three numbers we take. Because this is 24, this is 45, this is big number, this is small number. That's why in three numbers we see. Now how many numbers we see? In three numbers. That means in the three numbers means 248. In 248, 45 how many times? In 248, 45 100. So you better to write table with 45 is separation. Okay, so your 45 ones are 45. 45 twos are how much? 90. 45 threes are 135. 45 fours you see 180. 45 fives 225. Okay, like that. According to necessity, we can extend the table. Right. Now, here one more. 45 6. What is 45 6 here? 6 5s are 30. 3 dash 6 4s are 24 plus 27. 270. Now you see how many times? Into 48, 45, how many times it can divide? How many times it can divide? 6 times or 5 times or 6 children? 5 times means 225. Less. 45 6 times means 270 more you are getting. If we take 6 times means 270 is coming more we are getting than 248. If we take 5 times means 225. So 5 times or 6 times decide now. 5 times only. So write 5 times. 45 5s are 225. Write 225 here. Show the subtraction. 8 minus 5. What is 8 minus 5? 3. 4 minus 2. 2. 2 minus 2. 0. 23. Now, from the dividend, bring down 3. Okay. Some more digits are there in the dividend. That's why from the dividend, bring down 3. Now 233. 233. How many times? How many times you see? 233. This is 225. 5 times means 220. 6 times means 270 value. That's why you can decide. 5 times or 6 times? 5 times only. How many? 5 times only. So take 5 times. 45 5s are 225. Subtraction. So 3 minus 5, that means you take borrow 13, 13 minus 5, 8. Okay. Here 2 is there, because 3 gave borrow, that's why 2 minus 2, 0. Here 2 minus 2, 0. 8. How much? 8. Now, from the dividend, bring down that last digit. What is that? 2. 2 is to be bring down. 2 is to be bring down. Now 82. How many times? How many times here? 82. 2 times means 90 value. 2 times means 90 value. But 90 is more, big number than 80. That's why 2 times no chance. So how many times we take only? 1 time. 45 ones are 45. 1 time only. So we write here 1. 1 time. 45 ones are 45. Subtract. 2 minus 5. That was borrow. Take borrow from it. So here 2 becomes 12. 12 minus 5 7. Here 8 gave borrow. So here 7 only. 7 minus 4 3. 37 is the remainder. That's the remainder. And here 551 is the quotient. This is the quotient. Now check your answer by multiplication. So to check your answer, what would we have? We multiply the divisor and quotient. Check. Divisor into quotient. Multiply divisor and quotient. After that, add remainder. Okay, children. Here, what is the divisor? 45. What is the quotient? 551. Add remainder. What is the remainder? 37. Now 551 into 45. 551 into 5. So multiply 551 with 5. 5 ones are 5. 5 5s are 25. 5 here 2 is there. 5 5s are 25 plus 2 plus 4 ones are 4. 4 5s are 20. 0 2 is there. 4 5s are 20 plus 2. Add 5 9 7 4 24,795. To this add 37. Remainder add. Add 37. 7 plus 5 12. 2 1. 3 plus 1 4. 4 plus 9 13. 3 1. 7 plus 1 8. Here 4. Here 2. 24,832. That is the dividend. So we got the dividend. 24,830. This is what we do. Okay. Like this, we can check the dividend. Divided into quotient plus remainder gives dividend. What is the dividend here? 24,800. You got that. This is the division. Okay, children.